In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A26 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. First of all, go into settings and scroll to click on security and privacy. Then you need to click on this section called screen lock and biometrics. And when you're ready, enter your current login method. Now, select face recognition, hit continue, and tap on register. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then adjust all of those options however you want to, but make sure this switcher next to face unlock is blue. Without it, you won't be able to unlock your device using face recognition. So let's check out if it worked. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!